What if I told you that you could run an entire business without ever touching the products you sell? Sounds like magic, right? Well, welcome to the world of Amazon dropshipping. If you've been dreaming about starting a business but dread dealing with inventory, warehouses, or shipping nightmares, dropshipping is about to become your best friend. Before we dive into this money-making marvel, hit that subscribe button. Why? Because this channel is packed with smart earning strategies that'll make you say, "Why didn't I start this sooner?" Trust me, you don't want to miss out. What is dropshipping? Let's start with the basics. Dropshipping is like being the middleman in a high-tech relay race. You list products for sale on Amazon, but instead of keeping inventory, you purchase the item from a supplier only after someone places an order. The supplier then ships it directly to the customer. It's low risk, low cost, and you don't need to rent a warehouse or pack boxes in your garage. Plus, it lets you focus on what really matters: marketing and making sales. Step 1. Set up your Amazon seller account. First things first, you'll need an Amazon seller account. Head over to Amazon Seller Central, sign up, and choose the individual or professional plan, depending on how many items you plan to sell. Pro tip: if you're serious about dropshipping, the professional plan is worth it. You avoid per-item fees and get access to tools that can help grow your business. Step 2. Find a winning product. Now comes the fun and challenging part: finding products to sell. Look for items that are in high demand but with low competition. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to research trending products. Here's a tip: avoid super-saturated categories like electronics. Instead, focus on niches like pet supplies, fitness gear, or quirky home decor. Think items that make people go, "Ooh, I didn't know I needed this." Step 3. Partner with reliable suppliers. Next, find a supplier who can deliver quality products quickly. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or even local wholesalers can be great options. Make sure to vet your suppliers. Bad reviews or late shipping can sink your Amazon ratings faster than you can say, "refund." Pro tip: order a test product to check the quality and delivery time. Nobody wants to sell a $30 cat hammock that falls apart after one use. Step 4. List your products on Amazon. Now that you have your product, it's time to create an eye-catching listing. Here's how to make your listing irresistible. Use clear, high-quality images. Write a compelling title packed with keywords. Highlight features and benefits in bullet points. Set a competitive price, but don't undercut yourself. Think of your listing as a mini commercial. Make it pop, and customers won't be able to resist clicking Add to Cart. Step 5. Market like a pro. Once your listings are live, it's time to drive traffic. Use Amazon PPC ads to get your products in front of shoppers. You can also promote your store on social media, email marketing, or even blogs. Pro tip: use influencer marketing. Partner with micro-influencers who can showcase your product to their engaged followers. It's like word-of-mouth marketing on steroids. Step 6. Monitor and optimize dropshipping isn't a set-it-and-forget-it business. Keep an eye on your sales, reviews, and supplier performance. Use Amazon's built-in analytics to see which products are crushing it and which need a little love. Remember, customer service matters, even if you're not handling the shipping. Respond to questions and reviews promptly to keep those ratings high. Smart tips for dropshipping on Amazon start small with a handful of products to test what works. Focus on evergreen products, not just trends. Always read Amazon's dropshipping policy to stay compliant. Offer bundle deals to increase average order value. And that's how you dropship on Amazon. It's like running a business on autopilot, but with all the thrills of making sales. Before you head off to start your dropshipping empire, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on more tips to boost your income and simplify your hustle. Drop a comment below and let me know what products you're thinking about selling. I can't wait to hear your ideas. Let's make those Amazon dreams a reality.